Do you ever wonder why some businesses skyrocket while others crumble overnight? Picture this. You're given 10 seconds to build the tallest tower possible. Most would frantically stack blocks, resulting in a shaky structure destined to collapse. Now, if you had 10 days to build, you'd be able to lay a solid foundation, carefully reinforcing each level to ensure stability. Many entrepreneurs chase quick wins, building their business like that 10-second tower. Impressive at first glance, but lacking durability. Take McDonald's, for example. When Ray Kroc took over, it wasn't the global giant we know today, but a single, well run burger stand. Instead of rapid expansion, Kroc focused on creating systems, standardized menus, training programs, and supplier agreements. This foundation allowed McDonald's to scale sustainably and becoming one of the world's most enduring brand, and not to mention the real estate that it now owns as well. So, how can you build a business that stands the test of time? Here are three essential secrets. Secret number one, design systems before you scale. Document every process, automate repetitive tasks, and establish standard operating procedures. This ensures consistency and efficiency as your business grows. Secret number two, build a team that shares your vision. Hire individuals whose values align with your company's mission. Invest in leadership development and avoid rushing the hiring process. A strong team is the backbone of sustainable growth. Secret number three, think like a long-term architect. Reinvest in your business, anticipate future challenges, and focus on building a trustworthy reputation, adopting a long-term mindset that helps create a lasting legacy. Remember, building a skyscraper doesn't happen overnight. Lay each brick thoughtfully, and over time, you'll construct a business that not only reaches great heights, but also stands strong against the winds of change. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building a resilient business. Talk soon.